Welcome again to Let's Learn Garifuna. Aprendamos Garifuna. This is a series of educational videos designed with people who want to learn how to learn to read and speak Garifuna like me. In this lesson, we will learn about verb conjugation, present, past, and future perfect, plus relative nouns. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on what subjects you would like us to develop a lesson on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video to improve our algorithms and grow more. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garifuna. Esta es una serie de videos educativos diseñados con personas que quieren aprender a leer y hablar Garifuna como yo. En esta lección aprenderemos sobre conjugación verbal, presente, pasado y futuro. Perfecto. Más pronombres relativos. Siéntase libre de dejar sus comentarios y sugerencias sobre los temas de los cuales le gustaría que desarrollemos una lección. No se olvide de suscribirse a este canal y darle like a este video para mejorar nuestros algoritmos y crezcamos más. Gracias. Compra este texto en Amazon. Abuti, chief, person in charge, jefe. Adibiri, toy, juguete. Agenga daguni, fighting, struggle, peleando, lucha. Agumeserarahau, beginning, comienzo. Anichigu, wisdom, intelligence, sabiduría, inteligencia. Así now, season of the year, estación del año. Aye, diligati yes, I feel cold. Sí, siento frío. Badima, boat, bote, lancha. Ba, socks, calcetines. Bara, playing cards, jugando naipe, cartas. Bigibigiti, television, televisión. Da, weather, time, el tiempo, el clima. Diligati bu, do you feel cold? ¿Sientes frío? Diligati ya, it's cold here, está frío aquí. Duari, care, caution, cuidado, precaución. Doofy, spinning top, trompo. Fañé, comb, peine. Farusu, umbrella, sombría. Feru, pear, par. Gafu, box, caja. Galasu, pants, pantalones. Gamisa, cloth, tela, el paño. Gamuy geseti, funny, divertido, gracioso. Garity, ache, dolor. Gelain, key, llave. Gudu, skirt, falda. Gueru, leather, cuero. Gunubu, heavy rain, aguacero. Gunubu rugu, winter, invierno. Lidiligagay, winter, invierno. Haroga, hot weather, día caluroso. Harogatin, boom. Do you feel hot? ¿Sientes calor? Harogati ya, it's hot here, hay calor, aquí. Haruma, clean, limpio. Heremuru, rainbow, arco iris. Huya, rain, lluvia. Ibagari, life, vida. Ichari, farm, granja, finca. Irumurugu, summer, verano. Irony, sadness, tristeza. Loba, across, on the other side, one half of, del otro lado, mitad de. Lube duda, good weather, buen tiempo. Luba chaugu, spring, primavera. Luriba da, bad weather, mal tiempo. Luriboga, storm, tormenta, tempestad. Madiligati ya, it's not cold here, no está frío aquí. Dice, soon, nearby, pronto, cerca de aquí. Marogati ya, it's not hot here, no hay calor aquí. Megini, lack of food, famine, hambruna, falta de comida. Meinabu, farm, plantation, granja, plantación. Muberugu, autumn, otoño. Sabadu, shoe, zapato. Sabun, soap, jabón. Sandy, sickness, enfermedad. Sarueidu, cotton towel, toalla. Simisi, shirt, camisa. Tawaya, terry cloth towel, toalla de felpa. Tompu, tree stump, toco de árbol. Wadagimanu, work, trabajo. Abagu he no gaña, was walking like crabs, estaba caminando como cangrejos. Abugua, alone, solo. Adiwirunu, movement, movimiento. Agero, motherland, hometown, madre patria, mi pueblo. Anaga, back of the body, espalda. Anarime, fearsomeness, temibilidad, terrorífico. Anuguni, load, carga. Arigi, preposition behind, preposición detrás. Arigon, preposition backward, preposición hacia atrás al revés. Arguda, to hold, agarrar, sostener. Benefau, industrious, hardworking, industrioso, trabajador. Bucha uagu, tired, worn out, weary, cansado, gastado. Bui, full, lleno. Dari, until, hasta. Dugu, by chance, for what it's worth, por casualidad, por lo que vale. Eba guaba, run, imperative, you run, corre, imperativo, tú corre. Eba gua ñahadgu, wandering, walking about, vagando, deambulando. Gaguchi, pregnant with eggs showing, embarazada, mostrando huevos. Gamalu moan, moreover, además. Gi, still now, as previously, aún todavía, ahora. Guie, early, soon, temprano, pronto. Guie, from, a point of departure, desde punto de partida. Hadagie, some of them, from among them, algunos de ellos, de entre ellos. Hagura, those moving away, aquellos que se van. Hamaru, slow, lento, despacio. Hara, those nearby, esos cercanos. Hololo, huge, enorme. Colloquial. Currenti, hole, hoyo. Idagie, through, from within, out of, a través de, por dentro, fuera de. Iladi, like, similar. Inaru, indeed, en efecto, de hecho. Keburi, as, for example, such as, como, por ejemplo, tales como. Ludi, he went, él fue. Lumagwaligu, he was too lazy, él fue muy haragán. Maguali, laziness, haraganería, holgazanería. Mala, empty, vacío. Negué, reportedly, it is said, según se dice. Ñey, there, allí. Yara, there, nearby, allí, cerca. Rugu, only, solamente, solo. Sudara, soldier, soldado. T, then, in that case, entonces, en ese dado. Tía, aunt, a dress term for an older woman. Ubion, to the home of, a la casa de. Ugudi, foot, body or measurement, pie o medida. Ugudino, stem, base of tree or flower, tallo, base de árbol o flor. Umon, to someone or a group, para alguien o grupo. Ungua, self, sí mismo, yo mismo. Guayumu, land crab, cangrejo de tierra. Abuidaha, to sweep a house, barrer una casa. Abuchadabuagu, to become tired, cansarse. Abuduha, to pick up several things, recoger varias cosas. Achibagua, to wash clothes, lavar ropa. Achibaha, to wash, lavar. Adenja, to scold, regañar. Adigira, to look away, apartar la mirada. Adina, to embark, embarcar. Adurigeha, to trade, comerciar, negociar. Afureceda, to hurry, apurarse. Agambaha, to listen, escuchar. Agidara, to remove, remover. Agudemeda, to become impoverished, empobrecer. Agumucha, to finish, end, terminar, final. Agura, to tie, amarrar. Agurabaha, to wait for, esperar por. Ahayacha, to smile, sonreír. Ahyunra, aronra, to go to bed, ir a cama. Ajurera, to play, jugar. Ahuya, to rain, llover. Alamacha, to become hungry, dar hambre. Aledagua, to disappear, desaparecer. Amuriga, to come, peinar. Anuga, to take, tomar. Areiraguda, to take down, retirar, derribar. Aroha, to sweep a yard, barrer el patio. Arumaha, to sleep away from one's home, dormir fuera de casa. Asaminara, to reflect, to consider, to think, reflexionar, considerar, pensar. Asansira, to change, to undergo a change, cambio, atravesar por un cambio. Asupelera, to spell, deletrear. Aguadaraja, to catch, grab, agarrar cangrejo. Aguara, to call from nearby, llamar de un lugar cercano. Adaragua, to open, abrir. Elemucha, to stoop, bend down, agacharse. Afagucha, to get away, fish, escaparse, pescado. Nadagime, I work, yo trabajo. Ochaha, to fish, pescar. Oufudaha, to hurry, apurarse. Ounaba, to answer, responder. Onigira, to watch, to tend, to mind, observar, atender, poner atención. Austera, to complete, completar. Oyoha, to babysit, cuidar bebé. Grammar, verb conjugation, perfect tenses. The same conjugation is used in the present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Auxiliary words such as buga or me are used to express the past and future perfect. Present perfect. The present perfect expresses an action that has happened at an indefinite time in the past or that began in the past and continues in the present. In English, it is formed by using has, have, with the past participle of the verb usually ending in ed. In Garifuna, the present perfect is formed by adding the following suffixes: dina, diwa, dibu, du, so on and so forth. Example, ariha, to see. First person singular, ariha dina, I have seen. Plural, ariha diwa, we have seen. Second person, ariha dibu, you have seen. And in plural will be ariha du, you have all seen. Past perfect. The past perfect expresses an action that took place in the past before another past action. In English, it is formed by using had with the past participle of the verb. In Garifuna, it is formed by using the present perfect and adding words indicating the past, such as buga. Example, ariha, to see. First person, ariha dinabuga, I had seen. That's in singular. In plural will be ariha diwabuga, we had seen. Second person, ariha dibubuga, you had seen. Ariha du buga, you have all seen. Third person male, ariha li buga, he had seen. In plural, arihanya buga, they had seen. In third person female, ariharu buga, she had seen. Future perfect. The future perfect expresses an action that will occur in the future before some other action. In English, it is formed by using will have with the past participle of the verb. In Garifuna, it is formed by using the present perfect suffixes and adding the particle me to the verb. Example again, ariha, to see. First person, ariha dina me, I will have seen. Ariha diwa me, we will have seen. Second person, ariha dibu me, you will have seen. Ariha du me, you all have seen. Third person, male, ariha li me, he'll have seen. Ariha nya me, they will have seen. Third person, female, ariharu me, she will have seen. Present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect with definite objects. To show definiteness in the perfect tenses, the following subject suffixes are added to the infinitive. Then the above suffixes are added, marking the object. For example, subject suffixes. First person singular, na, plural, wama. Second person, ba, plural, huma. Third person, male, la, plural, hama. Third person, female, ta. Object suffixes. For example, first person singular, dina, plural, diwa. Dibu, li, ru. In this example of ariha again, to see. Ariha na dibu, I have seen you. Ariha la diwa buga, he had seen us. Ariha tadiwa, she has seen us. Ariha hamali le, they will have seen it. Ariha wamali ubohu, we have seen the island. Let's look at conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join clauses. The most common conjunctions in English are and, or, nor, but. These join independent clauses that can stand alone as sentences. Conjunctions can also join independent clauses and subordinate clauses, often indicating the relationship between the two clauses. In Garifuna, conjunctions are used in similar ways. There are differences. However, these differences sometimes involve slightly different meanings and the use of pronominal prefixes to show gender and number. The following are commonly used in conjunctions in Garifuna. And, abu, and, literally with, possessing. Uma, and, literally with, accompanying. For example, Maria labu Carlos, Maria and Carlos. Literally, it says Maria with or holding Carlos. Maria luma Carlos, Maria and Carlos. It literally says Maria with or accompanying Carlos. Other conjunctions, o, odi, or. Ni, nin, means neither nor. Ni means neither nor. Laduga, legundu, because. Aduga, because of. Ahain, but. Angain, if. Dan le, dan meha, while, past, when, past. Dan me, while, future. Dan me le, li dan me le, when. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns relate relative clauses to the main clause. In English, common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, that, and which. In Garifuna, the following relative pronouns are commonly used. These may be modified to show number and gender as noted. Le, to, ha, which mean who or which. Lao, tao, lun, tun, that. Please practice your exercises on pages 126 through 133. Practica tus ejercicios.
Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte.
Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.